Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm giving you a brief tour of Scrivener 3 for Windows, primarily for those who've been using Scrivener 1 and just want to get a feel for it. This probably should have come first, but you know, dark mode. As you can see, the standard settings are pretty white. The basic format looks similar, although there have been a few changes to the look of the icons and such, but you still have your binder down the side, with all the regular components, and your workspace in the centre. The menus all look pretty similar too, although I'm sure there's lots lurking there that I don't know yet. The inspector does look a little different, but all the elements are there. Compile, however, looks vastly different. My first thoughts? You could easily get going with starting a new document and typing it up without too much hassle. It's when it comes to all the bells and whistles that it could get a little more complicated. What I'm going to do with the first few videos is treat this as using Scrivener as a new document. Then I'll see what happens when you bring in an old document, and what the problems might be. Does that sound like a plan? From Tuesday or Wednesday of the coming week, I'm planning to do one video a day for a week on Scrivener 3 for Windows. After that, I'll return to a more civilised schedule. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.